Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I'm here with a good news I just got from ChatGPT that's going to give me a promotion. So what is it? Let me show you how to get ChatGPT Plus for free. So open the browser of your PC, then go on the official website of ChatGPT, then go log into your account or create a new account. By the way, when you just log in here on your ChatGPT account, so this is my account which is logged in, and when I check here on the right corner I got the free offer. When you click on it you will see the plan. So you can see ChatGPT Plus, which is $20 come up for you for $0 for the first month. So you can just check for promo terms apply. You can check out for all the information about this promotion. Evan is just going to give you information who is eligible for this promotion, or how do I redeem the promo code, or all the information if you need you can find out from this page. By the way, when I click on climb for free, I'm in the offer which is limited time, so when I click on it it's just getting me to the payment page. So I'm just gonna wait a few seconds, and here you can see I got here, and you can see this is ChatGPT Plus. You can cancel it anytime you want, and it's just about $20, but minus 20, and you can see just come up for you $0 for the first month. You can pay with the Apple Pay, or you can use your credit card by dialing your credit card numbers here on the boxes. So here we can see one more terms that you have to read, and you can just check from here if you are eligible for this promotion or not. You can just get all information from this terms page. So that's all about how to get ChatGPT Plus for free. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget hit the like button. Until next quick tutorial videos, bye bye my friends, peace.